Uh, so hey guys, I'll be writing the code down for the question highest occurring element. What we do is we have created a function called highest occurring element. Sorry, as a class. We created a class, so we'll create a function public static int. We'll name it highest occurring L, right? And we'll pass two things. First is a array, and the other one will be n. So first step, what we'll be doing is first we create a maxi. Let the variable name be maxi. We'll indicate it as zero, right? I mean the first element of an. We're assuming that the first element of an array which we are taking is maxi. Afterwards, what we'll be doing is we'll be looping one. We'll be creating a loop and I equal to zero till greater than n I plus plus. Java. Sorry. Yeah. So in this loop, we're trying to just get the maximum element of the array, right? Because when we have to create a hash array, we need what is the size of the array, right? So उस size के लिए what we require is a maximum element. So we always create the maximum element plus one size of the hash array is always maximum element plus one, right? So we'll be finding the maximum element. So we'll be keeping maxi equal to math.max of math.max of maxi array of 5. तो ये करेगा बेसिकली आपका पूरा एरे के थ्रू लूप करेगा एंड हर मैक्सी को हर एलिमेंट से कंपेयर करेगा एंड इट विल अपडेट द मैक्सी अकॉर्डिंगली. So the next step will be we'll create a hash array, add hash array, and it will be new int. Just give it a size as maxi plus one. Okay. We have find the maximum element, we have created the max array. So the next step is we need to store the frequencies, right? So to store the frequencies, we'll again loop it out. Uh, and we'll be doing that hash of array of I and इसको प्लस प्लस कर देंगे तो वो अपना प्लस प्लस हो जाएगा as soon as it reaches there. अब we need to find the maximum frequency. So for that int max count पहले हम दे देते हैं एक बार 0 and int max element that this is what we have to return. So earlier we will take it as -1, right? So उसके बाद फिर हम will again do a loop m I equal to 0 till we'll be looping it till maxi only and that's it. So afterwards if hash of I is greater than max count which we have taken, so what we'll be doing is we'll update the max count, that will be hash of I, and we'll be updating the max element. Sorry, we have got max as I, and here we'll be returning the max element. So that's the whole code what we have done. And this one, just to try it out, we'll create a main function, and in that will be passing an array, let's say 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. That will be fine. And then we'll be creating an n, which will be array dot length. Then we'll be getting the answer, let's say in a result function. I just again will be passing both the two values, and at last system, and here we'll be passing, let's say highest element plus here is it. That would fine. That would be the code. So we have done an array. Have we done an error somewhere? check out. Error, giving an error. What is it? So we can see just if we run this code, तो एक actually यहाँ पे मैंने plus के अंदर लिख दिया था तो error था कोई बात. So if you just run this code, you get the max element as three, I guess. One, two, three. Yeah, three is occurring the maximum number of times. So why it's taking some time to run? Um, so here it is. I got the maximum element as three. No, that's the code for it. Thank you.